What's up, guys? It's been a little while and I've got some new things to show you. Let's check them out. Welcome back. So glad you're here. Shout out to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon too. So it's been a few days. I've picked up a few things that I think you guys want to see. First off, we have, and I'm not gonna get too far into like telling you all about it. I'm just showing you what's in the box. This is a wired spotlight cam from Ring. Connects to a Wi-Fi. Get all your tools in the install kit. Unless you're gonna put it into like concrete or something, you're gonna need a drill. It's got motion detection. Got your instructions. You get a little sticker to put in your window. But this thing is super simple to set up. It's actually plug and play. So there's that. Next we have the Hero 9 GoPro. This is my first one. Never had a GoPro before, and I'm jumping on the bandwagon, trying to get a little bit better setup for making these videos for you guys. So it comes with a case, a really nice case. And in that case, you are gonna get your GoPro and the charging cable, extra battery, which actually, looking at these, like from a standpoint of somebody else's hand, that when I've looked at them online, they actually look a lot bigger, but they are really small. This is, and being this my first GoPro, I would thought it would have been bigger than that. That's what you said. But you get a mount, a curved mount. I don't know if you can see that. You get a curved mount, and you get, not really sure what that is or how that even mounts. Like I said, this is my first GoPro and I'm really excited. So you can actually go subscribe to GoPro. It comes with an app. It gives you some stickers on the back. And you're welcome to leave this in your case and put all your GoPro stuff in here to have it as like a better storage. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's go ahead and set this up real quick. Alright, battery goes in this side. Just like that. It's got a spot for your memory card. And your charging cable goes right here. I call it set up. Let's see, power button is here. One thing I've noticed is the screen is actually pretty responsive. I heard that people were saying that the screen wasn't, like it was really hard to select things, but it's actually not bad. I don't know if it's because of what, but I have no problem with it. It's actually really nice. On to the next thing. Next thing we have the brand new MacBook Pro. This is the 16-inch one. It has the i9 processor in it. It's a lot heavier than I expected it to be. This is my first Mac too, by the way. You get a C style power cord. Has C on both ends. You get a little instruction book. And you get your charger. But yeah, this thing is nice. This camera does not do the screen quality on this thing any justice at all. But I can tell you guys that it is awesome. And if you get this laptop, you are really gonna see what I'm talking about. I'll link everything in the description below if you guys want to check that stuff out, because honestly, I'm still learning about it and I don't know everything, but I'll leave that up to you guys. The buttons aren't bad. It's got the touch bar, does all kinds of things. I'm still learning about it, so that's basically all I wanted to show you guys. Hopefully this new stuff is going to help me make better videos for you guys. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Captain Hook out.